Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
So we do have a lot more activity today. Again, most of it in the central southern Cascades, although, as I just put up on our Facebook page, if any are out there in the foothills watching us right now, if you're hearing any thunder, hit us up, let me know. We've got a couple that are trying to slide their way across the Lane County crest into northwestern sections, or northeastern, I should say, parts of Lane County here. I want to keep our eye on these three that you can see. They're kind of combining together. Most of what we'll see with that probably going to get chewed up as it goes over the crest of the Cascades. Most of the activity, once again, today, similar to what we saw yesterday from around, let's say, Gilchrist southward as you go across Highway 97 and then down in towards Lakeview, Lake County, down to Medford as well. Could see a couple of strong thunderstorms again. Now, today started off this morning a little more typical for what we generally see this time of year, which is what? Cloud cover was back. Nice to see that back. Certainly gives an indication we have a little more moisture in the atmosphere. In addition, with that little increased contact of the water vapor, not as warm today. Sitting in the upper 60s still in Eugene and Cottage Grove, very comfortable. Warmer down in Roseburg in the mid-70s, 70 in Corvallis, mid-50s as you get out to the coast. And then you can see up in the mountains starting to warm up to 60s as you get up across Highway 20 and upper 60s out in Bend and Redmond. As far as watches and warnings, none of those showers and thunderstorms are hitting on those just yet. But as we go overnight tonight, we're going to see again cloud cover start to move back in across the valley. Likely be looking at a we'll call it mild start as the temperatures will once again fall back into the mid-40s for early tomorrow. So we'll have one more day with that low continuing to move over into Rockies, bringing a little bit of offshore flow, a southeasterly wind. In addition, we have the double barrel highs sitting just off of the coastline here. They'll continue to keep us under a very dry forecast, at least for the next couple of days, though we've got a very large storm brewing out in the Pacific. Now, that isn't going to really have much of an impact on our forecast until, as you can see, the weather headlines stacking up. We get in towards Sunday when we'll see a cold front finally start to bring some real shower chances through. Won't be much, but it's the first we've seen in quite some time, and it will bring in a bit of a cooler forecast behind that. We'll sort of flatten the jet stream out and get more of an ocean push of that air in for early next week. So we'll call for afternoon sunshine along the coast tomorrow in the mid to upper 50s and then mid to low 60s as we get towards Saturday ahead of the front. And then you see things cool off just a bit. More cloud cover Sunday, Monday, but then it's back to the sunshine early next week. Morning fog, afternoon sunshine at the Umpqua. Temperatures there will be in the low to mid 30s. How about low to mid 80s, that is? How about upper 80s as we head towards Friday, slashing back into the mid 70s on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're going to stay relatively cool. Cascades, a few chances for an afternoon thunderstorm again tomorrow. Same thing in Bend and Redmond. Will be sunny overall and very warm tomorrow and in the next couple of days, but then quickly back down into the 60s. Won't see any rain from that front, but it will bring in the cooler air behind it. And finally here in the valley, a little bit of patchy cloud cover tomorrow morning, guys, but we'll see sunny skies by the afternoon and warmer. And I think we're talking the warmest day on Friday in the low 80s. And then just a slight chance for some showers coming through Sunday afternoon, evening into early Monday. Best chance we've had, so we'll certainly put it on the board.
All right. Thanks, Justin.
You bet.